Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because today I'm gonna show you how to create your very own spring floral centerpiece for your table, for your coffee table, for any corner in your home, and it is done with Dollar Tree items, and I'm so excited to show you. So if you wanna see how this is done step by step, please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, here we talk about interior design and decorating through fun DIY projects like today's to help you unleash your inner designer so you can create a space that tells your story. So please consider subscribing. All right, you guys, let's do a floral centerpiece. You guys, so we are at the Dollar Tree and we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you the materials we're gonna need for this beautiful basket centerpiece. Let's go shopping. All right, so we're gonna need one bunch of these orange dahlias, one bunch of the blue iris, one bunch of the yellow narcissus. We are gonna need one bunch of this pink dahlia and one bunch of this berry. I found this purple one. I'm gonna keep looking for the green one. I think we'll probably use the green one instead of the purple, but they are called berries in green. And also we're gonna use one of these packs of moss in the green. All right, you guys, so the very first thing I did is I added some tissue paper on the bottom of my basket. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna place these 2 blocks of foam right here. And just notice that I'm not going to take the plastic because that way it serves more like a frog and it will contain that foam in the package once the foam crumbles. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just add this moss all the way around the perimeter to kind of make it tighter in the container and also to give it a more natural look. And I absolutely love this moss from the dollar store. Well, first of all, because it's only $1, but second, because it really finishes the look on bouquets. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of this moss going around the perimeter, and that way our foam is gonna be locked in place. And then if there's places like the handles right here where you'll see it, then it will cover all of that. All right. All right, then the next step I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and with my cutters right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut all of these greens into smaller pieces because I really want to go ahead and green the whole container with it. Then I have these palms that I'm also gonna cut in half just to have more. Go ahead and place this palm like so. And what you want to do is just want to make sure that you go all the way around the perimeter of your container. Now this leaving the foam and the plastic is really a big tip that I can give you because that way you can recycle the foam and it will not crumble on you. Then with this guy that came from Hobby Lobby, you can cut this into 3 stems to make more product. We don't need one long stem. You can always cut it into pieces, give it a little bend like this, and this is what's gonna spill down from the container. Because I went this way, then I'm gonna go ahead, make sure that I go this way right here. What I like about this is because it has a really good wire that allows you to bend that stem. I'm gonna cut this guy and I'm gonna put it right here on the top. And then this other one, I'm gonna go ahead and put over here in the corner. And so far we have our container greened. So now we're gonna move on to the flowers. Let me get those and I'll be right back with you. All right, you guys, so at this point what we wanna do is just gonna go ahead and insert our flowers in a triangular motion. I always like to do my flowers like that. So I'm gonna do 2 right here in the front, and then I'm gonna do 1 towards the back. That way it's evenly distributed. And I'm gonna move on to the next color, which will be this really pretty peach dahlias. So I'm gonna do 2 right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do a triangle right here, draping down. I'll flip it around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There's a triangle right here. Then I'm gonna insert 1 more dahlia I need to cut this one just a little bit. Thumbs up if you guys enjoy these floral DIYs here at Ramon at home. I really enjoy showing you guys how to create your own floral baskets and wreaths and all of those things. All right, so I'm gonna insert some blue for a pop of color, and then once again, I'm gonna do a triangle. So I'm gonna do 2 right here. And if you keep that in mind, just that doing the triangle really will take you a long way. So I have 1, 2, I'm gonna bring the other one right here to make a triangle to distribute evenly. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert these narcissus, but these ones I really want them to be a little bit taller. So I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a few, creating the same triangle. 2, and I have this guy right here. You can really hear it poking into the foam, and I absolutely love that because once again, like I said, you'll be able to recycle that foam without having to worry about it. All right, and our last element after the narcissus will be these beautiful berries, and this I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in. This is kind of like our filler, so any place where you see there's a spot, just insert berries. I feel like we need a few more pansies in this bouquet. So let me get those ready and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, you guys, so I had some of these white pansies that I'm just gonna go ahead and insert for a little pop of white. White usually helps any bright colors. It helps to break them apart. As you guys can see, just that little white of pop, it really helps. Then I have this one right here that has a little blue and white, and because we already have blue in it, then it's going to work just fine. This also can be found at the dollar store, you guys. And then the last element that I want to add is a little element of spikiness, and this lavender. I absolutely love this lavender. So I'm just gonna add a few stems of lavender. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert a few more. Wasn't that just super easy, you guys? And with all Dollar Tree items, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what do you think about the trick of letting the foam inside the plastic wrapper. That way, if it crumbles, you will not have to worry about it. All right, you guys, well, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating ideas like this. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what else would you like to see here at Ramon at Home for spring that is coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.